The decision to reopen schools will be made by school boards and principals based on local conditions. That's the word from Minister of Education, Youth, Skills and Information, Senator Dr. Dana Morris Dixon, as she addressed a special press briefing on Hurricane Melissa recovery at Jamaica House in Kingston this week.
If you don't have water, you can't open school. That's a minimum. You have to have water to open schools. But then there may be other issues in the community, maybe issues with the teachers and their ability to get in. And so all of that is taken into consideration, and the school board and the principal makes that decision working with the regional teams in the Ministry of Education. So we've decentralized that. I cannot stay in the ministry, the PS can't stay in the ministry and say that your school must open. We can't do that. But we do encourage schools, if you're able to, let's do it.
She encouraged the institutions that are able to reopen to do so, noting that studies indicate that a return to regular routine is beneficial for children following disaster. In Braes River, St. Elizabeth, principal of Braes River Primary School, Howard Lenford, says it will take a few weeks to get back to normal. The school suffered flooding and damage to its roof as Hurricane Melissa slammed through the parish on October 28.
Damages to some sections of the school roof. The guidance counselor office has been affected significantly, as well as the grade 1 classroom. We also have some classrooms that are leaking at the moment, and the grades 5 and 6 classrooms are all flooded out. As you are aware, we have no internet connectivity, we have no electricity, and of course I think this will put a hamper on the whole school reopening, but we are hoping for the best.
How many children do you serve here?
We have 152 students on roll.
Okay, so it's going to be some time then to get everything back online.
Definitely, and we have a number of students who have been impacted significantly as well. Some of them homes are completely destroyed, the roofs are all off, and some of them as well are traumatized. So they'll need some counseling. They are really affected by what has occurred here as a result of Hurricane Melissa.
If someone wants to get in contact with you to provide some assistance, do you have a contact number?
Sure. So contact can be made at 876-319-3805 or 876-409-2975.
The Education Minister has said psychologists have made it clear that after a disaster, the quicker children get back to their routine, it's better for them and their mental health. She notes that several schools in the corporate area have reopened, while others remain closed.